Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, on off flight mode. Open settings, click on connection. Here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off flight mode. Now go back. After that, check network, open settings, scroll down, click on connections, click on mobile network, click on network mode. Here you will see three options: 5G preferred, LAD preferred, 3G preferred. Now click on 5G preferred. Now go back. After that, reset network settings, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Scroll down. Click on factory data reset. Scroll down. Click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, documents, contacts will be erased or delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix data is not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.